Hello, welcome to the 12th Computer Science class. We have already seen in previous lecture that what is the mark structure of your subject in 12th Computer Science and how the partition your subject into the two parts, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, in first we will see paper 1. Paper 1 first chapter is a operating system. Now we will see one by one topics like what is meant by operating system, what are the services of operating system, which are the operating system, types of operating system, like that. Okay, now first we will see what is meant by operating system. Before that we have to see what is meant by program and what is meant by software. See, program is a set of instruction that performs a particular task. Okay, and what is meant by software? Software is a set of programs. See, program is a set of instruction that performs a particular task, and in software that multiple programs are included in a single software, means that various programs perform various tasks that include into the single software, that is the software. Like that, operating system is a program. Okay, see, what is operating system is a program, means operating system perform a particular task. Now see the definition of the operating system. Operating system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware, means it is an mediator for user and hardware. When user give some input to the operating system performs some task on that, and that output will you take out from the hardware. Like that, suppose hardware are the mouse, keyboard and etc, and you give input through your keyboard is also a hardware. Okay,
See, the operating system is an interface between user and hardware. These are the these are the four components of the computer system: user, application, operating system, and hardware. Each application communicates with user through operating system, and also operating system handles all the hardwares and applications. Those outputs are given to the user, and user give the input through the hardware to the application performs some operation by commanding the operating system. Operating system commands means manage all the applications and hardwares. Okay,
it controls the execution of all kind of program. Now another software definition is an operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input, output, and controlling peripherals devices such as disk drive and printers. Operating system is a mediator which handles printer, mouse, keyboard, hard disk, our applications, monitor, and you know the what are the applications. Whatever we use in our computer, that like the Word, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, our programming application, you know that the C++. Okay, that Turbo C is also a application. Now we will see the components of the computer. Okay, there are four components in the computer system. First is the user, second is the application, third is the operating system, and fourth is the hardware. See, operating system is a component of computer system. Okay, all the, means in short, operating system is the heart of a computer. Okay, without heart you can't do anything. Okay, uh, each and every your living things do not live without heart. Like that, computer will not work without your operating system. So operating system is the heart of your computer system, and it is a component of computer. all the applications are controlled executed by operating system. User also interact with your computer through only operating system, and your hardwares used by users. Okay, that hardwares are also handled by only operating system. What the resources are allocated to the your computer, like your printer, okay, printer, mouse, keyboard, these are the external peripherals. That peripherals are attached to the your computer system, and your computer system performs various tasks using that hardware. Okay.
You can see these are the all peripheral devices controlled by the operating system. This monitor, printer, mouse, keyboard and hard drive, these are the device hardware, and applications is a software, because we can touch to the hardwares, and we cannot touch to the softwares. Okay, keyboard gives input to the operating system, so this is the unidirection inwards. Mouse also inwards because it's giving the input by clicking the mouse button. Printer gives the output, means when you got a print, it will be output to the user. Monitor gives the output, okay, because you see on the screen, this is the output. So operating system gives the output uh, to the monitor, means this unidirection communication is a unidirection, and this communication is a bidirectional. Hard drive gives input to the operating system. Operating system also gives input to the hard drive, means this both bidirectional communication. It stores data by commanding the operating system. When operating system demand for some data, then hard drive will give to the operating system. Like that, the applications are also same bidirectional communication between operating system and applications. It gives the input to the operating system by by taking the from users, like the number and etc., and operating system performs the operation on that numbers, and by giving data from the users, perform that operation and give the output to the applications.
Now we will see the next topic. What are the services in operating system? Okay, and operating system supplies different kind of services to both users and also users and to the programs as well. Okay, now I will tell you the list of services which is provided by the operating system, like the user interface. Okay, program execution, input output operations, file system operations, communications, resource allocation. These are the all services provided by our operating system. Now we will see the example for these or all list of services of operating system. User interface means you can communicate with your computer. Okay, when you ask computer something, you want to ask what is the addition of 5 plus 2, computer will give you answer. Okay, now that is the user interface, means user and computer can communicate with each other. That means user interface. Second is program execution. Program executions mean performing some task. Okay, when you give input 5 and 2, that both numbers will be added in together and your output will give. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. This is 7 is your output. What you give? 5 and 2. That operation of calculation means addition. That addition operation is performed by operating system. Okay, that also provides the environment to execute the programs. Next, file system operations. If you want to edit some in file, you make a word file, okay, before 5 days, and today you want to edit some or retrieve something from that file. You can edit, retrieve, manipulate that file. that is the service provided by operating system. Okay. Now next is a communication. Communication means all the devices are connected to your operating system, and operating system communicate with each and every your hardware. Okay, like mouse gives the input to the computer, means your mouse command is handled by your operating system. When you give input from the keyboard, that keyboard gives the input to the your computer system. Okay, and now printer is the output hardware. Okay, printer is the output hardware. When you give the command to the operating system to give the print, that print will come out into from the your printer. Okay, these all the commands are handle and control the all executions of each and everything in your computer system is only and only by your operating system. Okay, services in operating system have major three categories. First is the information management, second is the process management, and third is the memory management. We will see first information management. It refers to the set of services used for storing, retrieving, updating, modifying the data on or information on various devices. This system services also helps to organizing the information on directories and files on various devices. Okay, and it also helps to allocating and delocating the sectors on the sectors of the information on the files. Information management have some system calls like open a file, close a file, open a directory, create a file. Okay, change working directory, retrieve data, read data from buffer to file, write data from file to buffer. Okay, second is a process management. Process management, there are multiple processes are handled by only one CPU. See, in the multi-user operating system there are multiple terminals and multiple users. Out of that, each and every users perform their task and it executed by CPU and only one CPU. Okay, at that time when only one CPU and multiple users, the single CPU executed each and every instruction of all programs. So it will execute one by one. At a time CPU will execute only one instruction all of these all programs, and that all running programs are the processes. So all processes should executed by CPU, and this control over the CPU is managed by your operating system. Each and every process should executed. Okay, so each process has the scheduling. Okay, means operating system schedules the all processes. There are some system calls in process management such as terminate process, delay process, block process. Okay, like create a new process, wait for a new process, like that dispatch a process. Third service in operating system is a memory management. Memory management service is directed to keep the track of all processes and keep the track of memory, allocating and delocating the memory to various processes. Okay, if there is a memory location and you have multiple processes on that process, if the memory you have to allocate that process, it should depend on the process size. If you have to 10 kilobytes memory and your program need 5 KB, okay, that 5 KB allocate to means that process allocate to the 5 memory, and your 5 KB memory will be remaining.